Tired of a mountain of dishes after dinner? Do you dream of delicious home-cooked meals that don't take hours to prepare? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of one-pan wonders that will completely change your weeknight dinner game. First up, a classic. One-pan lemon herb roasted chicken and veggies. Just toss chicken thighs, potatoes, carrots, and broccoli with olive oil, lemon juice, rosemary, and thyme. Spread it all on a baking sheet and roast until the chicken is golden and the veggies are tender. It's a complete, balanced meal with virtually no cleanup. Who doesn't love that? Next, let's talk about a flavor-packed skillet meal. Sausage and peppers. Sauté sliced Italian sausage with colorful bell peppers and onions. You can add a splash of tomato sauce and some Italian seasoning for extra zest. Serve it on its own, or spoon it into a crusty roll for a hearty sandwich. It's simple, satisfying, and ready in under 30 minutes. Craving seafood? Our sheet pan garlic shrimp with asparagus is a lifesaver. Toss shrimp and asparagus with minced garlic, a little butter or olive oil, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a kick. Bake for just 10-12 minutes. It's elegant enough for guests, but easy enough for a Tuesday night. Let's not forget a vegetarian option. Our one-pan Mexican quinoa is a fiesta in a skillet. Cook quinoa with black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, and your favorite taco seasonings. Top it with avocado, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime right before serving. It's healthy, filling, and incredibly vibrant, and that's just a taste. We've got 10 incredible one-pan recipes lined up for you, from creamy Tuscan chicken to sheet pan salmon and everything in between. These dishes prove that you don't need to sacrifice flavor for convenience. You can have it all. Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to more time enjoying your evenings. If these ideas made you hungry, make sure to hit that like button. For the full recipes and even more time-saving tips, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.